Hi, I'm Alex. I'm from PySpiders Rajajinagar. These are student VIBHA. Now she got placed to a company. Now she is going to share the experience about PySpiders Rajajinagar.
Hi, my name is VIBHA B R. I joined the PySpiders in September month. The course I chose was full stack Python development, and that I started the Python course, which is taken by Lakshmi Prasad sir. And then after that, after Python, then Django was taken, web technology was started. So after that, the data analysis class was conducted by VIBHA sir. So during that data analysis class or Django class, I got an offer. Like it was two rounds of interview, and then I got placed in that company. Job role is data analyst. So yeah, getting placed is which helped me to get placed is that my grooming sessions and all the bootcamp we used to do after class, and which improved my communication also, and which got rid of my stage fear while doing presentation to all my peers. So yeah, taking grooming sessions and taking mocks from trainers, final mocks from trainers, getting highest ratings, which all helped me to get this interview.
Okay. Share all the best for the career and growth.
Thank you.